Hi, in last episode we managed to set up basic SSR for Angular. Today let's go a bit further. We will learn how to deal with usage of browser-specific variables like document, window or local storage which are not accessible on the server side. We can split that into two cases. First case is when we use these variables in code which we write by ourselves. And second case is when these variables are used by the third-party libraries included in our application. Both of the cases covered in today's episode. Let's go. I have basic SSR setup from last video running on localhost 4000. I can refresh the page, everything works. I can go to the source and the content is injected into body tag. Everything works as expected. But now let's add an ng-on-init lifecycle hook to our app component. And inside let's try to console log, for example, document.url. Save, rebuild, and refresh, and let's see what happens. npm run serve SSR. And refresh. We have an error, reference error, document is not defined. There is something we can do about it. In the constructor of app component, we can inject document token and instead of using document, we can use this document. Let's rebuild and reserve and see if that fixes the problem. npm run serve SSR. Refresh, and the error is gone. We have slash here in the server console log, and we also have console log in the browser. The difference is that the console log on the server side does not include the host part, which is localhost for 4000, but if I go to /abc, we have it here and here, so everything is working. Let's now move on to the second case in which the browser-specific variables are used by third-party libraries. For the demo purposes, I have chosen responsive classes npm package. This package adds a class to the body tag depending on the defined breakpoints. We will just use the default breakpoints. And let's do basic setup. I am importing the module and invoking the responsive classes function in the ng-on-init lifecycle hook. Let's rebuild and rerun and see what happens. npm run serve SSR. We have an error, window is not defined. Let's see what we can do about it. We can import the module and invoke the responsive classes function conditionally only if we are in the browser environment. In order to do that, let's inject platform ID token into constructor. Angular provides a is platform browser function. Let's wrap it with an if statement. Inside, let's import the responsive classes package. And inside, let's call the default property of the module and remove the import from the top of the file. Save, rebuild, and rerun. npm run serve SSR. No errors. Let's refresh. And in the Elements tab, you can see that MD, which stands for medium class, has been added to the body tag. And as I shrink the browser, the class changes to small. And when I extend the browser, the class changes to XL, so everything is working fine. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.